Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if you can run DeepSeek on Android. Yes, you can do that in two ways actually. The first one is going to a website, second way, more convenient one, is downloading an app. So first I'm gonna show you the website, because if you want to use it just once, then you may prefer doing that with the website. So let's just go to Google, then search for DeepSeek.com. I'm gonna open that, then I'm gonna click on Start Now. Now I can just log in here, so I'm gonna click on Login with Google. Then I'm gonna select my account, which I think that it's actually connected, but if it's not, okay, it is. So here it is. But you can also go to the Play Store on your phone, then, oh my god, search for DeepSeek. It is available both on Android and iOS. You can install it. Then click on Open, Agree, and now you can sign in. And you can see I'm in. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.